A slip of the foot, and in the next second, he's all grown up. Today, Weno invented a rainproof gadget. With it, you don't even need an umbrella on rainy days. All you have to do is put it on your head. And it creates a weak gravitational field that changes the direction of the raindrops. I have to admit, Weno is really a little genius. After the male lead personally tried it out, he couldn't help but praise Weno's cleverness. Weno felt so flattered. But then, in a careless move, he stepped on some water and slipped, landing directly on the gadget. The sudden impact left Weno both hurt and embarrassed. Fortunately, just before that, Weno had kicked the male lead. So he didn't see anything. Weno covered his behind and tried to sneak away. But in his hurry, he accidentally hit the gadget's switch.